Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Afterpay Payment Methods, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and utilize this popular payment option. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that allows customers to make purchases and pay for them in installments, interest-free. To get started with Afterpay, you first need to create an account on their website or through their mobile app. Once you have an account, you can browse through the list of participating merchants and select the items you want to purchase. At checkout, simply select Afterpay as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. One of the key concepts to understand when using Afterpay is the payment schedule. Afterpay allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. For example, if you make a purchase of $100, you will pay $25 every 2 weeks for 8 weeks. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Afterpay charges a late fee of $10 or 25% of the installment amount, whichever is less, if you miss a payment. To avoid this, make sure to set up a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account on the due date. Afterpay also offers a range of features to help you manage your payments, including payment reminders and the ability to make early payments. You can also use the Afterpay app to track your purchases and payment schedule, making it easy to stay on top of your finances. In addition to the standard payment schedule, Afterpay also offers a number of other payment options, including the ability to make a payment upfront and pay off the remaining balance in installments. This can be a good option if you want to pay off a large purchase quickly. When using Afterpay, it is essential to be aware of the terms and conditions, including the payment schedule and any fees associated with late payments. It is also important to only make purchases that you can afford to pay back, to avoid accumulating debt. In conclusion, Afterpay is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments. By understanding the payment schedule, features, and terms and conditions, you can use Afterpay with confidence and make the most of this popular payment method.